How to delete YouTube channel on phone permanently. First of all, close the YouTube application if you have it open, and then open a web browser like Google or Safari. Type in studio.youtube.com. Once you're in the YouTube studio, scroll to the bottom left corner and then select the gear icon to access settings. Select channel, that is between the general and upload defaults. After that, click on advanced settings. Scroll down until you see the remove YouTube content. You will be taken to a new page where you can choose to permanently delete your content. You need to agree that you will be deleting all your YouTube data associated with your account. Confirm that this will include the cancellation of subscriptions, and after that click on delete my content. To confirm, type in your channel name and then click on delete. The deletion process will begin and it should complete shortly. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. If you found this guide helpful, please like